Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I will like to show you the way how to clean up your storage, how to get recommendation to do to get extra storage on iPhone. So first thing you have to do is just go open your settings, and after that you just need to scrolling down until you found this general. So you just need to go click it. And after that you just need to scrolling down again until you found this iPhone storage. Then you just need to go click it. And now your phone will start to analysis about the storage that you use, and you will see the recommendations that you can do to get extra storage. So the first recommendation is turn on the iCloud photos. If you enable them, you will save 25.45 gigabyte storage on your phone. And the second one is recently deleted album. If you keep them empty, you will save 4.26 gigabyte for your storage. So here you just need to go click this part and go click delete this from the iPhone, and you'll see you will get 4 giga extra for your phone. So that's the way guys how to get recommendation and get extra storage for your iPhone. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next tutorial.